Well, hello, Digi-Scrappers and photo editors. My name is Michelle Stelling. I'm the founder of the National Association of Digital Scrapbookers and AODS.com. And today's snippet is about clipping photos into text. So this is a pretty popular one. Here's a little sample right there. And stay tuned. It only takes a few minutes really to do this. And you need, I believe it was 2020 when it was introduced. I might be incorrect. It might have been 2019, but you will be able to find out as soon as you watch this if you have this new guided feature. All right, how many of you are interested in learning how to cut photos into text? Is anybody interested in cutting photos into text? Okay, once I get like 100, I will go for it. Yeah, looks like I've got close to 100 people. Okay, perfect. So this is kind of a fun little project, and it's pretty easy too. So I'm just going to open up a photo. Start with opening a photo. And then of course, I'm going to go into the guided section, and this is in the, I believe it's in the fun edits. So see all these different areas you can go into, and I do a whole class on just the guided section. And here's one that they just added recently in the last couple versions. It's called multi-photo text. So I'm going to click on that. And again, it's very, very step by step. So over here to the right-hand side, I'm going to click on Type Tool. I'm going to click one time, and I'm just going to type in the word Aspen. That's her name. And I'm going to enlarge it, so I'm taking it from the corners and making it large, and I'm just going to put it right about here. Okay. Now it doesn't matter what color it was, but the next step is to create frames. I'm going to create frames out of each individual letter. And then when you zoom in, you're going to see where it says click here to add photo. Do you guys see that? All you have to do is click here to add photo. You go in, you get your photo, you place it. Let me see if I can't kind of zoom in a little bit closer so you can see that. And then you can move this little slider around to move it into place. Click on the green check mark to adhere it, and you can also move it. Okay, click here to add photo. I'm going to get Aspen number 2, place her, cute. Take that, maybe make it a little bit bigger. Click on the check mark, click here to add the next photo, place it. You guys can do this, right? You guys can do this. I know a lot of people are really afraid of digital scrapbooking, and the reason I started this academy is because I don't want you to be afraid. I want you to have fun with it. We have so many members that have been with us for years and years, 10 years. And each month we come out with a new class that you can watch over and over again. We don't want to get you too overwhelmed, but we have instructors that come in and teach classes as well. So once you're done with that, you can keep going on these little step-by-steps. Maybe you want to put a drop shadow and an edge around it. You can do that. And there you have it. Isn't that easy? If you wanted a solid color behind there, like maybe a purple color, you can do that. And if you want to take it into the expert mode, save, let's just take it into the expert mode and see all of those layers. I know it might freak you out, but when you get to be really good with this, you will be able to play around with those layers. Maybe you just want to print one out that's pretty small and then maybe frame it and put it in their room. Giving you just different ideas on how to kind of play around with this program.